Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you've ever thought about becoming a content creator, then you probably had this question pop in your mind. And that is, I'm not an expert. What can I create content on? And I've definitely faced that myself, where I thought, well, I know video games, I love technology and computers, and I love Linux. And that was the extent of my expertise. And whenever we think of the term expert, normally we think of somebody who has years and years of experience, lots of skills, or maybe credentials like a PhD or something like that. But in reality, that's not necessarily the case, because an expert is basically someone who knows just a little bit more than you do. Because if you think of going to YouTube, looking for a solution for a question or a problem that you had, you're normally not asking for credentials of this person that you're watching. You're basically just seeing whether or not they have the solution for the problem that you have. And most of the times, people who are on YouTube aren't experts. They are just people who have gained experience and learned skills that actually solves the same problem that you had because they had the same problems. And so in this case, they might have had many years of experience, or in some cases, they might not. They might have just developed it as they figured out their own solutions. And so that's why I feel like if you are going to be a content creator, really don't let that whole expert thing stop you, because in time, you're going to learn a lot of new skills, and you will become more of an expert in the areas that you are learning from, which is great, because that's kind of how I learned everything that I did. And as a matter of fact, I wasn't an expert in anything when it comes to content creation, when it comes to doing videos, when it comes to video editing, when it comes to YouTube, any of this stuff. I had no idea. But now I am more of an expert than I was before. And so if somebody were to come to me or come to my channel and they wanted to learn how to do YouTube, I could share my expertise in that area, my own skills and experience. And if for somebody who's brand new, they will probably see me as an expert. And the same thing goes for the other types of content I produce, whether it's Linux content, whether it's just news or talking in front of a camera or editing video. All those things are learned, and then all those things are an expertise that other people will see that you have. And that's my thoughts on that. And so if you feel like you don't have any skill sets that you could actually teach other people, just really think about what you have right now, and then learn and develop those skills and experience in those areas that you don't know, and then you could become known as the expert in your particular field. So if you had any thoughts on that, whether you are an expert or whether you are learning how to be skilled in those areas, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.